Did your Playwright test pass locally but fail in CI or CD pipeline? Let's fix it with Leapwork Play. And you don't have to run these tests manually. Leapwork Play can be triggered directly from your CI or CD pipeline using an API, making it easy to fit into your existing workflow. Let's create a simple add to cart test, run it, and see how Play makes debugging easy. Let's drag the test here in the run list and click on Run Now. You can see the status here. And yes, our test case succeeded. Let's open this run list grid. Here you can see the execution steps, video, and any errors. Since our test passed, there's no error here. Now let's make a small code change and run it again. Here, let's do a little bit of change in this line of code. Perfect. Now let's run the test again. The test is queued. And this time, it fails. This can happen due to differences in browser settings, screen size, timing, or the environment. In the standard CI or CD pipeline, these environment-specific failures usually leave you digging through cryptic build logs or rerunning pipelines blindly. That's where Leapwork Play helps. By bringing live environment visibility, Play eliminates the guesswork. With Play, you don't have to guess what went wrong. Everything you need to troubleshoot is right here. Once you spot the failure, simply click to open the test case, fix the issue directly in the environment, and it's done. No back and forth required. If you're still trying to figure out how to debug these flaky failures in your CI or CD setup, give Leapwork Play a try and make pipeline debugging effortless.